Do you feel shy when you speak English? Do you understand but can't speak? Then this challenge is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Super Pro English Practice. Today we are starting something special. This is day 1 of our From Shy to Confident 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. For the next 30 days, you and I will practice together. Every day, just a few minutes. No pressure, no stress, just progress. But listen carefully. You will not become fluent in 30 days. That's not real. But you will become more confident. You will speak more easily. And most important, you will build a habit. Now here's what you need to do. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Out loud. Not in your head. Even if you feel shy, it's okay. That's how you improve. Before we start, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. No stress. Let's begin. Number 1. I am ready to improve my English. Again. I speak even if I feel nervous. I am not afraid of mistakes. Every mistake helps me learn. Listen. If you feel nervous, that's normal. Everyone feels that. Number 2. I speak slowly and clearly. I practice every day. I am getting better. I don't give up. Remember this. Speaking slowly is not bad. Clear is better than fast. Number 3. Can you help me, please? I don't understand. Can you say that again? I will try again. Sometimes your mind goes blank. You forget words. It happens. Just pause and try again. Number 4. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. I can speak English. I am becoming confident. If you spoke with me today, not just listened, you did something important. You took action. And that's how confidence starts. Now your task is simple. Come back tomorrow for day 2. And comment, day 1 done. Not for me, for yourself. If this helped you, subscribe to Super Pro English Practice, because this challenge is for you. Keep practicing, keep showing up, and remember, you're doing better than you think. I'll see you tomorrow. Day 2. Bye.